Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because I've been waiting on these boots. We are doing a Stuart Weitzman unboxing of their 50/50 boots. Super excited because I decided to get these boots over the high line, the ones that are thigh high and have a heel, mainly because they don't seem practical for where I live right now, especially because I walk everywhere, which, you know what the weird thing is? Since I've been sick, I haven't been outside the house in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, crazy. It's crazy when I think about it. Okay, anyway, I'm excited about this unboxing and let's get into it. So I bought two pair. I bought a brown suede and I bought a black Napa leather. So I wasn't quite sure. So let's look at the brown suede first. So these are the brown suede ones. They are pretty. They are very pretty actually. The suede is nice. And this is stretchy. This is not suede at all. And then the heel, I like that it's a flat heel. It's not, has a little block, but they seem comfortable. I got these in 12 narrow. You know what, let me go on the website to see what it actually says. If it says anything that, I don't know, that I'm not telling you about. Okay, so going on the website, it says the iconic 50/50 boots are instantly recognizable. Note the distinctive just over the knee front shaft. So right here, this doesn't go all the way up, just the front. Crafted from ultra luxe Napa or suede, and the slightly shorter micro stretch back shaft, SW signature detail meticulously engineered for a sleek silhouette and a flawless fit. Wear these A-lister wardrobe essentials with dresses or skinny jeans. And today I'm gonna try it on with a dress skirt and I'm gonna try it on with skinny jeans. But these are pretty and they feel really nice actually. So I like the suede. I got them in brown, and truth be told, I have no like chocolate brown in my wardrobe at all. I normally just go with black. I do have a tan jacket. I have a beige sweater. But yeah, I mainly deal with black and white, so I don't know what I was thinking. But I thought they were pretty, so. And then these are the Napa. Oh my gosh, that is pretty. Obviously, I have not felt these yet because I'm like, oh my gosh, this is nice. This feels like butter. It's beautiful. It has the suede back as well. And because people said that, I looked at comments on the different websites that they said that they run big. I got these in an 11.5 medium. So I got the brown ones in a 12 narrow because I do have narrow feet, although I don't buy narrow shoes from Stuart Weitzman, which is interesting, and I don't know why I don't, but we'll see. And yeah, so people said to buy a half size lower. So I got 11.5 medium in these. These are beautiful. And of course, it comes with a dust bag, which I was about to say, is it long enough to hold the boots? It is long enough to hold the boots. And it only comes with one. It doesn't come with two. These, excuse me, as you guys know, I am still getting over a cold. But yeah, let's try these babies on, shall we? Oh, these retail for $6.55, but you can find them on sale and, you know, like 10% off or sometimes 15% off, depending upon the color you want and stuff like that. But I'll leave links below. But these are, I really like these. Okay, let's try these bad boys on. Okay guys, I'm back. I literally started sweating trying to take my leather boots off from my bare legs because I started to get hot. Started to get hot and I started to sweat a little. If you have it on the leather on bare legs, definitely it'll stick. It's really soft, but if you start sweating, that could become a problem. I find that I like both, but they're different for different occasions. My husband said that, and I like that he said that. But I like the leather. The leather is so soft, and it's more versatile for me. Yeah, I really love them, and they're so flattering. Now they do bunch up at the bottom, so as you guys can see, as I was walking around, it bunches up a bit here, but that doesn't bother me. They weren't hard to put on, as you can see, and they weren't hard to take off. Some people have difficulty, they said, with putting them on and taking them off. The only time I had difficulty taking them off, which you guys didn't see on camera, was when I started sweating and it was on my bare legs. And so it was a little difficult. I had to have my husband help me pull them off. But outside of that, they were very easy to put on and take off by myself. Now the 12 narrow, I have quite a bit of space in front, but they hug my feet very well. The 11.5 medium, they fit perfectly. They're great. So I would probably tell you to go at least a half size down. It seems like the suede ones are a little bit more dressier than the leather ones. And so that's one of the things that you may want to think about. Hey, when am I going to be wearing these to a lot? Am I going to be having a more casual feel, or am I going to be a bit more dressier? It adds a little pizzazz, the suede do, just a little bit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I really loved it because I'm so excited about these boots and I'm so excited to wear them. And this is just my first impression on the Stuart Weitzman 50/50s. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.